Hoping to find maybe some ground locations that I can redo. I noticed that one down there, the most obvious one, is kind of hard to see, but it might look a little bit rough. I see some corrosion on there. I cleaned the battery terminals off. They don't show up well on camera, but they are clean contacts. I don't know where the rest of them might be to check them. Make sure I'm getting results of a bunch of error messages that pop up on the screen here. I was at first thinking maybe it was that passcode or passkey 3 issue. I'm not sure. This is a 2004 Grand Prix, by the way. About 67,000 miles maybe. I have driven it. I took an aftermarket stereo out and put the original back in. Everything ran fine. I didn't see any issues with that. But now, the day after I drove it, I came in here to drive it again, and this started. Nothing. And it seems to cut on and off there a little bit sometimes. Notice the time is reset. Service theft system, charging system failure, service ABS, and it just repeats, and the theft system thing will eventually just stay on there. I do hear a click when I try to start it. I don't know why my screen is half dead now. That just happened yesterday for some reason. You can hear a click. So I do think it's trying to start. I assume that means the solenoid's good, maybe the starter. I don't know if it's the starter or the grounds or passkey 3 issue or really what's going on here. I could use a little help figuring it out. Also, when I take the key out, I notice I hear something out of the speakers, like a little interference kind of a sound. Naturally, I don't hear it while on video. Anyway, that's what I'm dealing with. I appreciate any help. Thanks.